exploring the phrase, hot for. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving deep into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard or seen around, hot for. This colloquial term might be a bit tricky if you're just starting out, but by the end of this video, you'll know just when and how to use it. First things first, let's break down the word hot. In its most basic form, hot describes something that has a high temperature, like a hot cup of coffee. But English, being the complex language that it is, hot has several figurative meanings too. It can mean something that's popular or trendy. For example, that new song is really hot right now. But in the context of hot for, the meaning is slightly different. When we say someone is hot for something or someone, it means they have a strong desire, enthusiasm, or passion for that particular thing or person. It often suggests an intense or eager interest. 1. Attraction to a person. She's hot for him. This means she's very attracted to him or has a crush on him. 2. Passion for an activity or thing. He's hot for jazz music. This implies he has a strong passion for jazz music and is very enthusiastic about it. It's essential to note that using hot for in the context of a person can be informal and might not be appropriate in all situations. Always be mindful of the context. Now that we understand the meaning, let's see how it fits in various sentences. 1. Ever since she saw that movie, she's been hot for learning how to dance salsa. 2. I've always been hot for vintage cars. There's just something about their design that appeals to me. 3. I think he might be hot for her, considering how he always finds an excuse to talk to her. And there we have it, folks. The phrase, hot for, can be a fun way to express strong interest or passion, whether it's about a hobby, a thing, or even a person. We hope this video shed light on its meaning and usage. Remember, English is filled with such colorful phrases, and the best way to master them is through understanding and practice. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.